Students, it is the first lecture of multivariate techniques of this week. There are two types of clustering method: recursive clustering method, which have single linkage method, complete linkage method, and average linkage method. The another type of methods are non-hierarchical clustering method, which have k-means method. Now I come to the detail of single linkage method and complete linkage method. Here I shared an example where the five individuals have the distance metric. The distance between 1 and 2 is 2, and 1 and 3 the distance 6 is, and between 1 and 4 the distance is 10. Similarly, the other distances between the individuals are given below. Now we have to cluster these individuals. We have to make clusters. Now we observe the minimum distance between two individuals, that is distance between first and second individual, which is 2. We will combine the individual 1 and 2 in a single group. After combining them in a single group, we will make distance between of 1 and 2 with 3, 1 or 2 with 4, and 1 or 2 with 5. The distance 1 2 with 3 is equal to distance between 1 3 and 1 2 3. The distance between 1 3 is 6, and between 2 3 5. The minimum distance is 5. Therefore we will write down against 1 2 and 3, that is 5. Similarly, we have find the other distances, and we rewrite the metric of distances as d1. Again, we have observed the minimum distance between the matrices between individual, which is 3, between 4 and 5. We have combined the individual 4 and 5 into one cluster, and make, say, in a similar pattern we make the distance metric, that is d2, with the group of individual 1 2 3 and 4 5. 1 2 is a group of clusters of individual, 3 is alone, and 4 5 is another group of clusters between 4 5 individuals. Again we have see the minimum distance, that is 4, and we have clusters that is 3 with 4 5. Now the two clusters, the individuals have been divided into two clusters. First cluster consists of 1 and 2, individual 1 and 2, and second cluster consists on 3 4 5, individual number 3 4 5, and the distance between 1 2 and 3 4 5, these two clusters is 5. In a similar pattern we have make a dendrogram of these distances. You can observe it and hope you will understand how we have drawn this diagram. The minimum distance between 1 2 3, which is clustered into 1 2 against 2. Similarly, other distances has been plotted here. Now come on the complete linkage method. Here we have to observe the minimum distance, and then we combine the distances and make a maximum distance between individuals. It is a metric of distances between 5 individuals. The minimum distance here is between object 1 and 3. 1 and 3, which is 3. The distance is 3. Now we will combine 1 and between 3 and 5 minimum distance is 2. So we will combine 3 and 5 and we rearrange the metric of distances. The distance between 3 and 5 with 1, distance between 3 1 and 5 1, and the maximum distance between d3 1 and d5 1 is 11. That is d3 1 3 1, the distance between 3 and 1, 3 and the distance between 3 and 1 is 3, and the distance between 5 and 1 11. So we take 11 as a distance between the group 3 5 with 1. Similarly, other distances will be found in the same way, and we will make another metric of distances, that is d1. Again we will see the minimum distance between two individuals or two objects, that is 2. That is I think the minimum distance between 5, 2 and 4, then 2 and 4 and 3, 5. We will again make the distances between the objects, and we will take the maximum distance between the objects or individuals or clusters, and we again rearrange the metric of distances, that is D2, and combine in a cluster the individual 3, 5 and 2, 4 and 1 will alone. And again we will clusters these distances into 2 clusters, that have become one cluster is 1 to 4, and second cluster consists on the individual 3 and 5. And in the same way we will make a dendrogram of these distances. The maximum distance between the individual is 2, that is 3 and 5, between 3 and 5, the 3 and 5. So in the same way we will generate the dendrogram of these distances.